And it's a culmination here in the last 2 hours that I have been on the banks of Saryu Nadi. Everybody has said the same thing to me कि आज बहुत बड़ा दिन है. Today is when the flag will be hoisted, the divine flag on top of Ram Mandir that will culminate the movement that started hundreds of years ago, and also a movement that is not political, a movement that is personal to so many people. You've been speaking to so many people on the broadcast. This was a movement that was personal to them. This was a movement that was spiritual and religious in nature, and it had nothing to do with politics, to a large part of it. And for all of them, what it means today is that Aaj Mandir Sampurn hua. Today the Mandir has been completed, and no temple, a Hindu temple, is ever complete without the flag being hoisted. Today is the establishment of the divine. Yes, the consecration happened. That's when the Pran Pratishtha happened. The deity was established. But today is the establishment of that divine structure. And the flag that will be hoisted is going to be so large, so significant that it will be seen from miles from here on. And that's the larger objective. The divine establishment should be seen from acres and miles away from the Ram temple. And I think that is a feeling that is personal to people here. Even people who are actually lighting the diyas here in the evening, they said, हमने तैयारी कर ली है. आज अलग दिन है. Today there will be more diyas that I will light. This personal devotee, she will light. She said, I light one diya, but today I'm going to do 11. That's this feeling, and I think that is what needs to come out for people to understand the significance, the symbolism of why today is so important and so personal to so many devotees across the world, across not just in India, but across the world. People, in fact, today itself, it is said that as many as 4.5 crore devotees have already come, not just from India, from around the world, and that will only increase after the flag is hoisted today.